Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I am going to be doing the unboxing and review of the new product, that is RAEGR wireless charging pad. So this is the 3-in-1 wireless charging pad and the model number is RAEGR ARC 1350, and this is available on Amazon guys, and the price that has been mentioned is 4,000 rupees, but it is available much less, and I'll be giving the link directly in the description below. And one important thing is it supports 3 devices at a time. So 2 smartphones it can charge and 1 smartwatch it can charge. This is just like an AirPower alternative. AirPower was never launched, it was just announced on the stage during the Apple iPhone 10 presentation. It supports 3 devices continuously, and it has a 10 watt of maximum output, and it actually supports all the Qi enabled wireless charging devices. It is ultra thin. It has support for 2 smartphones and 1 watch, or it can charge 1 smartphone, 1 watch and 1 Earpods. So just like how it has been shown on this product photograph, it can charge your iPhone, it can charge your Apple Watch and your buds as well, and it can charge any other Android device which has Qi enabled charging, any other watch which has Qi enabled charging, and any other pods which has Qi wireless charging. So I'll be quickly doing the unboxing and I'll be showing you guys how it supports the wireless charging. By the way, I have 2 different devices with me for testing right now. This is my iPhone 11 which is available, and this supports up to 7.5 watt of wireless charging guys, and this is my LG G8X Think which also supports the wireless charging, and the wireless charging speed that is supported on the LG G8X Think is up to 9 watt. So this actually supports up to 10 watt of wireless charging guys, this pad, and the iPhone supports up to 7.5 watt, LG supports up to 9 watt. So there is this pull sleeve that is present over here. Just pull it over like this and the device just comes out of this package, and we have the wireless charging pad over here. This is the wireless charging pad itself. It is pretty thin and pretty small guys. So as you guys can see, this is of a very slim profile. It is fantastic to look guys, and there is these vents in order to make sure it has effective airflow that goes out. And as you can see, it mentions 9 volt at 2 ampere QC3 and above charging is supported, 3-in-1 wireless charging mat, and the brand name is RAEGR that is mentioned. It is a very good matte surface that is present guys, and this is where you need to place your smartphone, this is where you need to place another smartphone or a earbud, this is where you need to place your watch. And we have the USB port that is present at the end, and by the way, this is the USB Type-C port guys, and you can just put a USB Type-C plug. Let me check out what are the other things that is present inside the box. We also have 2 different set of USB Type-C cables. That is fantastic. So 2 different set of USB Type-C cables is provided guys. One is a USB Type-C to Type-C for USB power delivery. This is the USB Type-C to normal USB Type-A output based USB Type-C cable is also provided. So 2 different set of USB cables are provided, which is fantastic in my opinion. And also we have the warranty information guide, user manual, and other information that is related to this company, and other information that is related to this product is provided over here. So as you guys can see, I've connected the USB Type-C port to the RAEGR wireless charging pad, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be keeping 2 of my devices on this charging pad to show you guys how it charges. So this is the iPhone 11 that is supports wireless charging. As you can see, when I just kept on it, it started charging. This is the LG G8X which also supports the wireless charging, and this also actually is charging. By the way, if you want to see, as you can see, it says battery fully charged. Since this phone already has 100% battery, it says battery fully charged, but in case battery is low, this phone will actually show that the charging is started. So if the charging is not there, this notification will go away. If you see there, the notification has gone. That means if I click on this, the notification will come that see battery has been fully charged. I'll just pick it up. The charging is not there. So if I just keep it over here, as you can see, it is working. I'll keep my iPhone over here, and as you can see, the charging is successfully working. So this is the wireless charging pad for both the phones guys. Both the phones will actually draw equal power in terms of wireless charging. Overall charging capacity of the wireless charging pad is 10 watt. If you charge a single device, then the 10 watt output will be provided for single device. In this case, I think the power will be distributed equally among 2 devices. I'll be just trying with earpod as well guys. It's time to get the wireless charging on earbuds guys. As you can see, this is the Airpods. No, this is not the Airpods, this is actually the Realme Buds Air. So this is the first generation of Realme Buds. It also has support for wireless charging. You have to keep on this surface in order to enable the wireless charging, and you need to keep on these 2 pads. One important beautiful thing about this is it has this rubber padding that is present, that is rubber feet that is present, which will help you to actually grip any product that you can keep on this surface. Now I'll just keep my Realme Buds over here like this, and as you can see, the light has started blinking. That means the charging has successfully started. So I'll also keep the phone over here, and the phone and the earbuds both have started charging successfully. I do not have an Apple Watch or any smartwatch which supports wireless charging, so I could not keep one, but as you guys just saw, it is a fantastic charger, guys. The phone is charging successfully, and also the wireless buds is charging successfully. In this case, you cannot charge the smartphone as well. So a buds and a phone, or two different phones and a watch, can charge at the same time. And if you have multiple devices charging at the same time, then obviously the power distribution will be equally done for all the devices, and the maximum power output that is supported by that particular device will be taken in to the consideration. So this is a fantastic device in my opinion, guys. And one important thing you need to note down is you cannot expect fast charging with wireless charging, guys, because the fast wireless charging has not been made normal like the fast charging that is available right now in phones, which is as cheap as 15,000-16,000 rupees. 33 watt and 65 watt charging is common in smartphones as low as 15,000-16,000 rupees, but fast wireless charging is not still common. So you cannot expect a fast wireless charging with this. Instead, you can expect a convenient or hassle-free charging that is available. So you cannot actually use your device while charging. I have misaligned this product and it has stopped charging. You will have to actually align on this surface itself, and it also actually supports the charging with the case. Since it has been misaligned over here, it will not charge. You will have to actually keep it perfectly on one surface and the charging will start successfully. Similar thing applies for this also. I've kept it on one edge, it has not started charging. I have to keep it on this particular surface in alignment with the coil that is present on your device, like this, and then only it actually starts charging.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need.
If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.